Okay, today we're looking at how to write lines of best fit using a linear regression. Remember, using a linear regression, when you type up your table, you will have a little icon right here that's on the side in order to do your regression. Otherwise, we can also use this formula, y1 tilde mx1 plus b, okay? But the first thing that we need to do is we need to type in the entire table. So for this, we type in the entire table. So go into Desmos, you hit the plus button and hit the table. And when we're typing in tables, we have to type in the entire amount. So 2017, 63, 2018, 65, 2019, 64, 2020, 68, 2021, 72, and 2022, 75. So write a function that models the data. When you do your regression, your numbers are going to be very, very large. What I suggest for you is to go ahead and round into the hundreds place. So when you do your regression, you get y equals 2.43x minus 4,836.67. The reason why this number is so big is because our years are so big. We're talking about years that are in the 2000s. So that's going to make our numbers kind of crazy. We have to predict the number of goals scored in 2025. So in order to do that, what you would do is you would take this function, 2.43, put in 2025 minus 4,836.67. When you type that in, you'll get roughly 82. And we say roughly because you're going to want to round here because you can't score like half a goal. That doesn't make any sense. In example number 2, it gives us this scatter plot. Thankfully, it also gives us these points. We're going to type this table in. So 0, 100, 186, 265, 359, 441, and 534. And it says write a function that models the data in this table. So again, once you type it in, hit the regression button. The other thing I want to get you in the habit of is hit the little magnifying glass that's down here. So in that way you can see your points. Then when you get the line of best fit, it's going to say y equals negative 13.5x plus 97.8. Next, you need to sketch the line of best fit, which will go something like that. And then predict the percentage of houses left after 6 months. So here's our 6 months mark. What you would do is you would type in negative 13.5 times 6 plus 97.8 and see what you get out, which should be 0.06. Or excuse me, it'll actually just tell you that it would be. And so when you type this in after 6 months, you would get, double check my math here, 16.8%, so roughly 17%. And that's our notes for writing lines of best fit.